It seems an investigation has been launched into the assets of Baba Ramdev's empire. Baba Inc. is under the scanner, and for perspective, I'm joined by Headlines Today's investigations editor Harinder Baweja, who broke the story that now the entire country is responding to, and also our political editor Javed Ansari. Harinder, I come to you first. The ED, the IT, the PMO, they're all investigating, and clearly it seems Baba Ramdev has a lot in his cupboard that he has to be very concerned about.
Oh, absolutely. The days of, the UPA wooing Baba, clearly in the past. We saw how senior ministers went rushing to the airport and tried to get the Baba to call off his fast. But soon after the midnight crackdown, there are crackdowns of another kind now going on within various ministries, Rahul. And clearly the Enforcement Directorate, the income tax authorities, even the police, I'm told, in Uttarakhand, now pulling out that CID investigation, looking at Baba's entire financial empire. After all, he's earning 11,000 crores.
No, but Javed, this will lead to very serious questions about the timing of these investigations. Yes, all these investigations are important. It's important to know whether his medicines have bones, whether his trusts are fraudulent, whether people who are with him, Acharya Balkrishna, Indian, Nepali, are they frauds? All those questions are important. But the government has no response to why now.
Well, certainly those questions are important, and the motives will continue to be questioned. But that shouldn't deflect from the fact that if the Baba has something to hide, just because he's been talking of fighting corruption, it doesn't give anybody the liberty to indulge in corruption. That's what the government has been saying, and therefore, yes, the government must answer. They are duty bound to answer that if they knew of all these facts, then why were they negotiating, wooing a person who's so corrupt?
Okay, and how much time will it take, Harinder, for these investigations to be completed? Because it seemed to reflect on Baba's body language when he woke up this morning. He was obviously concerned by all these reports emerging. He knows that there are things he needs to be worried about, and that's why he began the morning by saying, I forget the Prime Minister. If the interlocutors wish to speak to me, I'm happy to talk to them.
He's obviously softening his stand, and he knows there's a dossier, Rahul. And let's not forget, I'm sure Baba Ramdev also aware of the power that the dirty tricks department can wield. We saw Anna Hazare's team going through the same thing through that whole CD that was put out, against Shanti Bhushan and other members of that panel. So the dirty tricks department can make you feel a lot of heat and pressure. The Baba clearly under some amount of pressure, including his aide, who actually came out and wept in front of all the cameras.
All right, you've mentioned
never took the hard questions, really.
Oh, you've mentioned Acharya Balkrishna. I want to give our viewers a sense of this aide who'd gone missing after the midnight clampdown at Ramlila Maidan. He's Baba Ramdev's right-hand man, Acharya Balkrishna, and he surfaced in Haridwar. He'd not been seen or heard of since the midnight crackdown on Saturday. Harinder Baweja, in fact, had broken the story of how there was a CID report which said that Acharya Balkrishna was actually a Nepali student. A very rattled, nervous Balkrishna appeared before the press this evening saying he's done nothing wrong. He broke down into tears, saying yes, his parents are Nepalese, but insisted that he was born in Haridwar and has been living in India, and as per the law of the land is entitled to be an Indian citizen. Let's listen in to a visibly rattled Acharya Balkrishna.
माता पिता की नेपाल की नागरिकता है, आपकी हरिद्वार की है, मेरी भारत की है। ये कैसे कि आपकी हरिद्वार
पासपोर्ट के लिए LIU की जो रिपोर्ट है उसमें साफ-साफ कहा गया है कि आपने ये गलत वो दिया है। LIU की रिपोर्ट को आपके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
ऐसा है, जो मेरे पास जानकारी थी, जो मेरा सत्य था, जो मेरा तथ्य था, मैंने बता दिया है। इसके अतिरिक्त न मैं कुछ बोलना चाहता हूँ।
एक आरोप और लग रहा है जो पतंजलि के संस्थापक हैं शंकरदेव लापता और राजीव धन्यवाद आरोप लग रहा है कि